What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Oh no, BitConnect is gone. They exit scammed. Oh no, we'll be back soon. Guys, don't freak out if you log into BitConnect today and see this "will be back soon" sign. If you're on Twitter following them at all, you'll see that 8 hours ago they said that the website is down to server issues. We apologize for the inconvenience. That's right there for you. Later on, they said we are working to resolve this disruption within our service. Thank you for your patience during this time. And then 4 hours ago, they said we've been under a continuous DDoS attack, which inevitably affects our service. We're mitigating as fast as we can. It may take up to 24 hours. We'll update you once it's under control. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. So they're under DDoS attack. What does that mean? What does that mean? Well, if you use the Google, you will see that a DDoS attack is short for distributed denial of service. Is a type of DOS attack where multiple compromised systems, which are often infected with a Trojan, are used to target a single system, causing a denial of service attack. Victims of DDoS attack consist of both the in-targeted system and all systems maliciously used to control the hacker. So basically, they're under some type of hack from a Trojan thing, and they're working to fix their server. So guys, BitConnect did not exit scam. I'm telling you this because I've already had people texting me, people tweeting at me asking about if BitConnect is done. Guys, websites need to perform routine maintenance. Sometimes this happens. I build web pages, so sometimes it happens where someone gets cute and tries to hack the system and it causes a malfunction in the server. Nothing to worry about. They obviously have it under control, and as we can see by their Twitter, they're very quick to let us know that they're working on it, that they are dealing with it, and they're fixing the problem. So on to today's video. If we have that behind us, looking at the markets, we see another all green day for the most part. All these markets are recovering back up to their prices, except Ripple's kind of staying the exact same, but Ethereum's up almost to 1,500 and up another 13% today. So we see a very bullish market from Ethereum. Bitcoin's making the slow climb up. Cardano's making the slow climb up. Litecoin's back up today to 250. IOTA's up again. That's something to watch. Look at this little bull run they've had. A little bit of a bullish flag, possibly dipping down, but I think they're going to continue to go up. And EOS, another 17% today. So we see EOS. Yesterday they were floating around $17 a coin, and now 16. Now they're actually starting to boom, and that's what I actually want to talk and focus a little bit on today. If we go over to the EOS website, EOS testnet has arrived. Scalable, decentralized applications can now be built and tested in a public environment. So EOS is a type of fork off of Ethereum. It's scalable, it's flexible, it's usable. The web toolkit for interface development, so it's used to develop interfaces. I suggest going and reading their technical white paper. Go pick up a couple of the EOS coins. That is currently sitting in the number 10 spot on CoinMarketCap. I feel like this has been a very undervalued coin, and I think we're going to see it start to skyrocket here. I think this market cap's going to explode. If you look, there's only 600 million EOS coins, and out of these top coins, we see really the ones that have the higher prices, like Ethereum, like Bitcoin Cash, like Litecoin. They have these lower supplies of coins. And then the next one down that we really see with a low supply is EOS. So EOS has the potential to hit over $100 a coin. I think we're gonna at least see it jump up to 50 here in the next month. I just have a hunch that EOS is going to explode, so definitely check out EOS. Alright guys, aside from EOS, just a quick update on Zouk Coin ICO launching. The Zouk Coin ICO launches in 1 day, 9 hours. I'm really excited for this ICO launch. The first 500,000 tokens are at 25 cents a coin, and by the end of the ICO release, they'll be valued at $1.15 a coin. You definitely want to be one of the ones who gets in buying the coins at 25 cents a coin. I'm really excited for the release of this. Really excited to pick up some coins as soon as this launches. A way you can get prepared for that is click the link down below. Go read their business paper. Go read their technical overview. Make a profile on their website absolutely free. Be prepared for when this ICO launches. You'll be able to transfer Bitcoin to it and then invest into the ICO. I think this is going to be a very cool ICO. We've seen DAVORCOIN do this. DAVORCOIN had an ICO for a lending platform. They released it. It had a huge success. Now DAVORCOIN, last I looked, was over $120 a coin, and they were being bought for prices like this, for 25 cents cents a coin. So it's a great ICO to hold. You can start lending on this program for only $50, which is great, a lot less than other lending sites. And you can just quickly get into the ICO game by holding that ICO long term, staking it to grow more coins before they moon. So definitely check out Zouk Coin, guys. One day, 9 hours, 50 minutes left. So check that out. So with that, guys, let's head on over to our giveaway page. If you did not know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. To enter to win, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. Let's see who today's winner is. Guys, we just hit over 800 subscribers on the channel. Really excited. We're now well on our way to having 1,000 subscribers, where I'm gonna announce a fun giveaway. So be on the lookout for that, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Winner is Mikhail Dmitry. Why Lightning Network threatens the dollar as the world reserve currency. Well, currently Lightning Network is not a currency. It's something being developed for Bitcoin's blockchain to help make transactions faster. It's peer-to-peer, and it basically uses payment channels to increase the speed of payments. Some people are really for Bitcoin adopting it to help the scaling of Bitcoin, where some people are more against it, and they have their own reasons for that. So I think that's definitely what you're asking, Mikhail, but good question. Maybe restructure your question a little bit so I'm clear on what you're asking. But let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin. Thank you so much for entering to win today's giveaway of $10 US. Congrats on winning. Beautiful network fee here of 6 cents. And here's your Litecoin. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're thinking of picking up some EOS. I hope you're gonna check out Zouk Coin as an ICO. I think the release of that's gonna be huge. And again, do not worry about BitConnect. They're just down for some maintenance. They will be up within the next 24 hours guaranteed. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment your Litecoin address down below with a question to enter you to win tomorrow's giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.